The second technique we're going to do is to ferment some vegetables in a brine. And I think I'm going to start peeling and chopping some stuff, and you can tell us a little bit more about how this technique works. And yeah, I'll start by peeling these. Is that correct?
Yes. So yes, we're gonna make the vegetables fermented in brine, so in water with salt. And we're gonna have, this is a bit different technique than making sauerkraut, because we add water and salt to create the environment without oxygen. Mm-hmm. Sauerkraut, we had to shred them really in small pieces to get the juice out.
Yes.
In that case, we can keep them in a bigger chunks. We can have them all cut in the sticks or coins or sliced, and we can have a bit different use for them. So we can top the sandwich, or like use for decoration, or just to have a snack. We can take out from the jar and eat on the spot.
And a nice side dish as well. Maybe if you're eating hummus and bread, it's a nice side dish.
So it gives us a bit different uses.
Yes.
Our vegetables, we peel them because we also want them to have a nicer color.
Yes.
If we would keep the peel, it get a bit more brown in case of carrots and doesn't look so appealing.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you don't mind, you can keep the peel on.
Yes.
We also have chosen the vegetables that are pretty hard, so like carrots, like kohlrabi, beetroots, and this is
turnip,
because
and
cauliflower, yes, because that's good choice for beginners.
Yes.
If we're doing the first time the vegetables in brine, I really recommend to start with this kind of vegetables. They're much easier to keep them nice and crunchy. If we ferment in brine, more soft vegetables like tomatoes or cucumbers, it's a bit more complicated situation, and we need to be more careful with the technique and the quality of the vegetables we using.
Yes.
So yes, we're gonna
make two varieties, right?
Yes. So as it's really nice visually.
Yes.
To do it in a different flavors and different colors.
Yes.
So we decided to have one with beetroots, which is gonna make the whole liquid and all the vegetables gonna get a color from beetroots, and they're gonna be really nice.
Reddy pink.
Yes. And the other one we'll have curry spice.
Yes.
Which will also add some nice yellowy coloring.
And we'll use a slightly different vegetables throughout.
Yes.
But we'll show you as we go along. I just know that someone was asking what are vegetables that you maybe wouldn't ferment, or are all vegetables suitable, or maybe some that don't have such a nice flavor when fermented.
Yes. Theoretically, we can ferment anything.
Yeah.
It's just a matter if we're gonna like it,
the
flavor. Because yes, some of the vegetables are most of the people like them fermented.
Yes.
And
like
cabbage and carrots, but some get more
distinctive flavor,
bitter or challenging.
Yes.
flavor.
That's a good word.
And the example of that is kale and is broccoli. Mostly the vegetable that have a lot of chlorophyll.
Okay, so green vegetables.
They tend to get this really off flavor that a lot of people don't like.
Yes.
And I very rarely use them in fermenting.
Mm-hmm. But that's about it.
That's about it.
But you can ferment everything.
You can ferment everything. It's just a matter if you're gonna like it
or not.
Yes.
Cool. So let's chop some vegetables and then we'll show the next steps.
Peeler.
Right.
garlic smell.
Okay, so now we've made 2 different jars with a different mixture of vegetables. So here we have carrot, cauliflower, turnip, and kohlrabi. And this one has garlic, kohlrabi, turnip, beetroot, and cauliflower. So they're gonna be somewhat different. And we have some spices for them, right?
Yeah.
So for the beetroot one, we're gonna add
allspice and some bay leaves.
Yes. So how many little allspice, whatever you call this, would you use?
Yeah, maybe like 5, 10.
5 to 10. Okay,
Yes,
I think that's
also-
about right. So we just pop them in, right?
Yes.
And bay leaf,
Yeah, maybe
4. 5. And if we would have been clever, we would have put these nicely into the side before, so it would look nice. And for the other one, we're going to use curry. But would you mix that in now, or you would mix it into the brine?
Yeah, we can mix, but now this.
But now? So
Yes.
roughly how much would you use of that?
Yeah, let's use 1 spoon, but it really depends to your
To your taste?
to your taste.
But
and,
roughly like 3/4 of a tablespoon or something like that. It's a good start. And now we're going to make the brine to pour over, right?
yes.
So we've prepared 1 liter of water here. And you said it's the same ratio of salt to brine as
2% salt. Yeah.
2% salt. So we've weighed it out to match the 1 liter of water. So I just pour it in and then mix.
Yes.
And how long do we mix this for?
Until the salt dissolves, but it should be pretty fast.
Okay.
2 seconds.
Good. So now we've filled up the jar with salt water to cover the vegetables. And you had the idea on how to sink them down. So
Yeah, because right now they are underwater, but after some time they can start to float on the
Yes.
surface, and
that's when things can go wrong.
Yes, exactly. So this is something we want to avoid.
Yes.
And there is several ways we can do it. Yeah, we can if we have it, we can use the special weights. They can be made from stone or ceramic, and yeah, we can find
different sizes to fit different.
and then this is like the easiest solution, because we just put it on the top, and
it will cover it.
It will keep our vegetables under the water.
Yes.
But if we don't have it, we can still be creative and find
some item in your kitchen
that can actually also is
weigh
heavy
down.
and can weigh down. Yeah, this is a bit too high for this
Yeah.
situation, but yeah. So
If we hadn't put as much water, we could have used that.
yeah. And other solution is again using the cabbage leaf.
Yes.
So here I have some cabbage leaf, which I already folded a bit to like get the size of the jar. So we can have it on the top and to help us to
press down the
press
vegetables.
down. I'm also using a bit the size of the shape of the jar. So this part is like holding
the vegetables down on the sides.
Yeah, and holding the leaf to like get it all together and get it under the liquid. And now it's safe, and it's as it should be.
Yes.
Submerged under the liquid, and we can close it.
Close it. And what's the time we ferment this kind of technique?
We ferment it in room temperature for around 10 days to 2 weeks.
Okay.
That's like, and then we can try, and also if we like it more sour, we can ferment it longer in room temperature or move it to fridge.
To the fridge. And again, should we put something underneath? Will this also leak, or it's less likely?
To be on the safe side, it's good to also have something underneath. It shouldn't be so lively, but
as the sauerkraut.
Yes, but it can happen.
Okay, so best practice is to always keep something underneath and in room temperature for 10 to 14 days-ish. And now we're just gonna fill this one up as well.